In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export QuickBooks reports to Excel. We'll walk through the standard way to export a single report, and then I'll also show you the built-in option for exporting multiple reports or lists at once. This is useful if you want to analyze your data in Excel, share it with someone else, or keep a copy outside of QuickBooks for reporting and record keeping. Start by opening QuickBooks and signing into your account so you're on the main dashboard. Once you're in, look for the report section in the navigation menu and click on it. This is where QuickBooks stores all of its built-in financial and management reports. From there, use the search area to find the specific report you want to export. For example, you might be looking for a profit and loss report, a balance sheet, or a sales report. Open the report you need, and before exporting it, take a moment to review the settings. Adjust the date range so the report reflects the correct time period. You can also update any available filters as needed. This part is important because whatever you see on screen is generally what will be exported into Excel. Double checking the report now can save you from having to export it again later. When the report looks correct, go to the top right corner. Depending on which QuickBooks layout you're using, you may see an export icon in the classic view or an export print option in the enhanced experience. Click that option, then choose Export to Excel. Your browser will begin preparing the file, and you can then save it to your computer in the location you prefer. If you need to export several reports or lists at the same time, QuickBooks also gives you another method. Instead of opening one report individually, go to the Settings menu by clicking the gear icon. From there, select Export Data. Inside the export area, open the Reports tab. Here you can set the date range for the export and turn on the specific reports or items you want to include. This is a convenient option when you need a larger batch of data instead of a single file. Once you've selected everything you want, click Export to Excel. QuickBooks will generate a compiled zip file for download. After it finishes downloading, you can open the zip file and access the exported Excel files inside. That's all it takes to export QuickBooks reports to Excel, whether you're downloading one report or several at once.